Hi, I'm here with the new Boss Katana amps. This is the Katana 100, and you can also get the Katana 50 Gen 3. So let's unbox this and see what we get. So I wanted to test this out. So the Boss Katana 150 have the exact same processor module. So you get the same effects and they sound the same type of effects. But of course the 100 has 100 watts and can get a little bit louder. So that's a major difference here, but also because it is larger, it has a larger case and a larger magnet, it also sounds a little bit more bassy and bass heavy. So you get a little bit more of a good sound out of this 100. So even though they are exactly the same as goes for like the processor and the effects that you do get a little bit of a difference upgrading to the 100. And with both you can set the amount of watts that you want to play through. So even if you're playing in your bedroom, you still can get a better sound coming from the 100 than the 50 and set that to a lower wattage. So like a 25 for example, or 10. So that is a little bit of a difference there. I also got the Katana Go, and I'll do a separate review on that as well, because that's also a cool model that you can get a headphone amp with all of these Katana models in there. So if you want to practice through your headphones and you don't need a complete unit like this, then that can be a cool way of working as well. So let's get this out. It's quite heavy, but packaged really nicely. Okay, let's get this off. 1, 2, 1 and 2. And of course the entire module here, which looks really cool. I mean, look at that. And then in the box there's just a manual in there, so that's it. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, and wait a minute. Yeah, so the power cord, of course. I was looking for that. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to test it. So let's open that up. And I'll get into a few additional advantages of the 100 over the 51 in a minute as well, because they put a lot of more pro features in the 100 model. So I think the price range of the 50 is really cool to get all of that power and all of that model capability in a smaller package, and of course it's easier to take with you, but this 100, that should be enough to get you through like a practice room or even on stage mic'd up. You get enough power with this 100 to well, to do very cool gigs, and I think it gives you a little more flexibility than you would have with the 50 model. So a couple of things here. You have an effects loop here with the 100, so you can have external pedals and then loop that through, so you can use external devices as well. That only comes with the 100, so that's a little bit of a difference there. And then also the line out to go through the PA, so you can directly use this with the PA. I think that is a cool addition as well. And you have the effects models here, patches right on the chassis, on the thing itself. And then you also have A and B groups mode, so you have 8 patches here instead of 4. So that is very cool. And then here you have all the buttons for your amp type, your gain, your volume, your bass, equalizer, mid, treble, effects, the booster mode, reverb, and you also have a separate presence knob here that you wouldn't have with the 50 model. So that's a little bit of a difference. And then here you can set the button right there on the left. You can set the type of wattage that you need. So you can set this low for if you're practicing in your bedroom. You have 0.5 watts, half and max, and then on standby. So let's plug this in and let's see what we can get out of it. What type of sounds we can get. So with all these Boss Katana models, you have your optional Bluetooth adapter for wireless audio, so you can use your Boss, but of course you can use any wireless adapter and then put that in the input, but this just connects with the device itself, so that's a little bit easier to do that. And then you can craft your signature sound with the free app. You can use your app on Mac, Windows, iOS and Android, so that's pretty cool as well. Perhaps I'll do a separate review of like that complete setup. And then let's turn this on. See, yeah, so we have some power here. Right now you have your variations there, and plug that right into the input. So let's set this to half or low, and then the cab resonance you can do deep, modern and vintage. So there's also a couple of buttons that you can switch between. So I think that is a nice addition as well. And then let's see, we have the volume all the way low and the gain all the way low, and the master volume all the way low. Yeah, so there we are. Okay, so now I have it set to 0.5 watts, the lowest setting, so I think that's perfect for bedroom playing. You don't need any more than that. This is the clean sound. So it's nice, that's a clean sound, and then can you really hear the difference when I change cabs? Is it more vintage now than... I don't know if I really hear the difference there, but we can change patches, which should be cool. This would be an acoustic. Oh yeah, so a little thinner, then pushed, so this should give us a little bit of a crunch here. Then we have the crunch here, with a lot more crunch. have the lead one here, a brown one. So this is the lead. Now we can change the presence and that sort of thing. Would give a little bit of reverb right here with a button. So that's also pretty cool. A little bit of delay. This is pretty nice. You have a lot of effects built in right here. And you can set the equalizer, a little bit more bass or a little bit more treble. So you don't have to do everything in the apps. You can just have your presets right in there. And then click on a variation. That's your beat mode. So now you can have like your different settings here in the lead mode, brown, crunch or clean. So now I have the clean B mode, so it's a little bit of different sound there. So very nice. This was the unboxing of the Boss Katana 100. I told you the differences between the 50 and the 100. And I think if you have the budget and you're planning on using this for more than in your bedroom, then the 100 is a very cool set to buy. If you just play in your bedroom and you're not planning to do that in the future, go out and just play in practice rooms or even on stage, then you could go with the 50. But you do get a lot of more pro options with the Boss Katana 100, even though the patches and the software is exactly the same. So that's my take on it, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.